YouTube, I'll give you 4 easy ways in 1 minute. Method 1. Method 2. Take scissors and a small piece of paper, then fold it in half. Place the thread inside the folded paper. Cut the tip with scissors. Now slide the sharp tip of the paper with the thread into the needle eye easily. Grab the thread and pull it through. Method 3. If there's still an old thread in the needle, but you need to insert a new one, lay the new red thread across the old black one. Pinch both threads with your fingers. Wrap the end of the old thread around the needle. Now hold it tight. Pull the old thread from the other side by its lower end. And voila, the new thread came through with the old one. That blew my mind. That was method 3. And meanwhile, hit subscribe and like the video. The simplest method, we have a thread and a needle. Put the thread over the needle like this. Pinch the folded thread with 2 fingers. Let a small tip stick out. Now, the task is simple. Push the needle between your fingers. Voila!